How to redeem Roblox gift card on PS5. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your PS5. Whether you've received a gift card or you just bought one for yourself, this tutorial guide will help you through the process so you can start using your Roblox credit right away. Once you've got Roblox installed, go ahead and launch the app from your PS5's home screen. You'll need to log in to your Roblox account to redeem your gift card. So make sure you're signed in. Now, here's where the things get a little tricky. Unlike other platforms, you can directly redeem Roblox gift cards inside the Roblox app on PS5. So you'll need to use the PS5's built-in web browser. Open your PS5, open the internet browser from the home screen. In the address bar, type in www.roblox.com/redeem and hit enter. This will take you to the official Roblox gift card redemption page. Now, when you land on the Roblox gift card page, you need to log into your Roblox account and simply log in. Next, grab a Roblox gift card. On the back of the card, there's a unique PIN code that you'll need to redeem your gift. Scratch off the silver coating to reveal your PIN and keep it handy. Once you have the code, simply go back to the redeem page and enter the PIN into the box that says gift card code. After entering the code, simply hit on redeem, and that's it. Open the Roblox app and check your updated balance. And that's it, you've successfully redeemed your Roblox gift card on PS5.